Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of this body cam. I was sent this for free in exchange for my review, and I'm going to tell you all about it. The body cam comes with a USB charging cable and a thumb drive so you can connect it to your computer, and the camera itself is 3 inches long and 1 inch wide. Here you have the camera lens and the front. On the back, you have 2 ways to secure it, the pin or a magnet that won't damage any clothing. USB-C charging port here. This is where your memory card's going to go, and then on the top, you have your on-off switch and your reset button. To get the camera ready, you're gonna use a micro SD card. You're gonna need your own card, it does not come with it. You slip it into the slot there, and then you're gonna press the on button. Once that happens, your light's gonna blink 3 times, here it goes, and then you're ready to record. So now we're recording, and a full battery charge is gonna get you 3 to 4 hours. This is really easy to put on. You have a strong magnet here, so I'm just gonna put that inside of my shirt, and then I'm gonna connect those pieces. I could adjust this wherever I want to, but it's that simple to put on. You could use this outdoors while adventuring or hiking. It's also good for security people, police officers, or servers. There's a lot of uses. The camera automatically features loop recording, which means it's going to start overriding the oldest video once the SD card fills up. So you do want to transfer those files to your computer, which you can do with the cord that it came with. So you would just connect that to your computer, open up the files and save them. But if you also run out of battery, it's gonna automatically save whatever it was recording before it shuts down. So that is a good feature. My favorite feature of this device is the magnetic clasp. I love that it won't damage clothing. It's easy to use and easy to get the recording, so I recommend this cam.